Hello, thank you for joining this video. Here we'll explore how to add products to your Shopify store. So first of all, we need to go to our Shopify admin panel, and then on the left side here, click on products. From here on, we need to click on add product, and now we can add a new product to our store. So first of all, we need to add the title. So for example, let's put it here. Next, we can add the description. So I have a prepared description for a product here. So let me just copy it here. Here is the description of my product. You can of course choose anything that you'd prefer and add it in any format. You can also add pictures. You can add the custom HTML code. So here you can add whatever you prefer. Next thing is the status. You need to make sure that the status of your product is active, not draft, but active. Then we go to the product organization. So as we can see, we have the product category. This category here was added automatically. So if it adds something that does not suit your specific product, you can easily change it to anything you'd prefer. Next, we have the product type. So here we have the drop down of all the possible product types, or if you cannot find the proper type in here, you can simply add product type hat. For example, here you can simply type it in. Next, we have the vendor. So this is the brand name of the product. So for example, if you sell all the products from your brand or from one brand only, you can of course enter only one brand that you have in your store. However, if you have products from different brands, you can add these brands here. Next, we have the collections. So you have several order products, you have several collections, and you can add specific products to specific collections. We have a special video for the collection page that we will link in the description box. You can click and view it. But from this video, let's just add this product to a collection. So we have the product hat, and the collection is accessories. Let's choose this one. The next thing here is the tags. So here you can add badges like labels, for example, on sale, new in. So here you can add anything you want. We have a separate video on how to add badges to your product that we will also add in the description down below. So now let's just quickly save our changes. So now we have the title of our product, we have the description, and we have the product organization. Next thing here is the media. So here we can add photos, videos, 3D models of our products. So for example, for this product, let's add a video and some images. So let's click on add files. Then we have this video here. Let's also this picture, this, and this one. So we can add all of this media here. And now let's just give it a moment to upload to our product page. Okay, so now our media is uploaded. So also, as you can see here, we can add media from the URL. So by clicking on add from URL, you can add the image, the YouTube video, or Vimeo video via the URL. So if you have the link to the image or videos, just enter it here and it will also appear in the media section. So next we have the pricing. So here we have the price and the compare at price. So for example, your product is currently on sale, or you just want to showcase the price that was before. So for example, when adding the product, we can add here, like let's put it $39 in here, but we want to show the maybe discounted price. Let's put it at $29. So if we add here the pricing and the compare at price, then the compare at price will be striked out and the new price will be shown. So once we've saved our changes, we can also see the show unit price for this product. However, keep in mind that this section, show unit price, is available for Germany only. Next, we have the cost per item. So if you maybe sell something in a bundle and you've added this product as a bundle, you can enter here the cost per each item. And keep in mind that the customers won't see this cost per item. So once we go down here, we have the inventory. So here you can enter the SKU number or the barcode. So if your product has the SKU, just simply add it here. Let me just enter a random number here. You can also enable track quantity, and you can also enable continue selling when out of stock, of course, if you want to. Okay, so next we have the shipping. So this product requires shipping. If you sell goods like clothes or anything that needs to be shipped to the client, then make sure that you tick this. However, if you sell digital goods, maybe like subscriptions or anything in digital format, you can simply untick it, because this section, without this section, customers won't enter shipping details at checkout. So if this is unticked, then there will be no shipping details at the checkout. But if we tick here, then the clients can easily enter their shipping details for you at the checkout. Okay, so now we move on here to variants. Here you can add the size, the color, the material. So for our product here, as you can see, we have this hat. Let's just add 2 options. So here we choose size. We also need here to enter the size options. So let's add S. Let's add XSS and ML. So we have 2 size options, and also now let's add the colors. So one note here, if you add these images as the first one, make sure that you add this color as the first one. So we have this like coupled color here and the nude color here. So once we go to the color option, so we choose color here, and for option values, let's enter cobalt and let's enter nude. So now let's save our changes, and we have 2 options with 2 variants each. Okay, so now let's move on. So then we scroll down here to our variants. So as you can see, we have the place to add the picture. We have the option name. So we have the XSS size and cobalt color, XSS nude, and the same. We have the price, and as you can see, we have 0 available at 2 locations. So we need to enter the availability of our products. So first of all, let's add the picture. So I'm clicking simply here, and here are all the media of pictures that we have. So let's add maybe this image here for cobalt. Then we add this for the nude one. Let's just change it to this one. Then we once again add the cobalt. And now once again we add the nude. So here we have our pictures. Let's now save our changes, and now we need to go to the editing of our variants. So I'm clicking here, and this is the page for this specific variant. So now let's scroll down here. We see the price, and also we see this quantity section. So we have the 1 location and the 2nd location. If you're interested in how to add like the pickup locations to your Shopify store, we'll link the video in the description box. Feel free to check it. So what we need to do here, so we have these 2 addresses, and we have the available section here. Just click here and enter the number of items available for this specific location. So we have another location here. Let's also add it in here. And then the changes are saved automatically, and we just need to do the same thing for all of our variants. So we go down here, we add the number of available items once again here. Changes are saved automatically. We choose another variant, and let's just do the exact same steps for all the variants. Now our last one, and in the number here, and now our change is saved. So now we can return back, and here are our products. As you can see, we have 121 available at 2 locations. And now let's scroll down here. So here you see the search engine listing. You can edit it if you prefer. So you can change the page title, the meta description if you need to, of course. Next, we have the Metafields. So the Metafields are crucial if you want to show more information about your product to your clients. If you're interested in how to add Metafields for size guide, for promo timer, and for hover image, we'll surely link the videos about these topics in the description box. Feel free to check it. So, but let's return here. So first of all, let's add the size guide. So for example, we have the hat. This is our example here. Hats do not usually specifically have the size guides, but let's imagine if you were selling a dress or a blazer or anything like that. So if you want to add the size guide, just go to this Metafields. We click here, we select the page. Don't forget that we will link the videos on how to add the size guide page. You can check it if you're interested in more details. But what we do next, we go to the size guide model image. So if you want to show the image of a model with your maybe parameters, let's check if we have an appropriate image here. Yes, we have one in here. Let's save it. And next we have the size guide model info. So like the height of the model, the size she wears. So let's just pull any product that can help us with this. So just give me a second. So here we have the blazer as product, and here we have this information. So now let's just add it to our Metafield here. And now we need to save our changes. So another Metafield that we have in here is the promo timer. So if you want to put your product on sale for a specific amount of time, you can do it from here. So we have this Metafield, simply click here and enter the promo timer. So when your promo ends. So if we maybe add this date at this time, let's now save our changes, and now our product will have the promo timer as well. And also we have the hover image. So if you want your products to change images on hover, you can surely do it from your Shopify admin panel. And we have a specific Metafield for this section. However, keep in mind that we have two variants. So we have the cobalt color and we have the nude color. So when you have the product with only one color option, you can use and you need to use the hover image from this Metafield section. However, for the products that have several options, like we have two options here, we have the cobalt and the nude color, we need to add in a hover image from the editing of each variant. So before we start, let me just change the image in here. So this image should correspond with the first image here. And now let's click on our first variant here. Just a second, let me save the changes for my images, and now let's click in here. So once again, we are in these settings. We need to scroll down to the hover image Metafields, and now click here, and you need to select a different file. So we have the main picture, this one, but for the hover image we chose the second picture, as of course they need to differ. Now let's do the same for our nude color. Let's now scroll down here, and also let's just check. Okay, we have this picture, so we need to choose this one. Let's now save our changes, and you don't need to do it for other options, the size options, because we've already added the hover image for these options in here. And now let's go back to our product. So it seems as we've fully added all the required information for the product. And now let's take a look at it from here. Okay, so here we see the vendor, we see the name, the title of the product, we also see the SKU number, the article of the number of the product. We see the product rating. If you're interested in how to add the product rating, feel free to check the description. There will be an appropriate video for this. We also have our sizes. So we have this size and this size. So we have two different colors. As you can see, these colors have swatches. So each swatch is similar to the actual color of the product. We'll surely also link a video on how to add color swatches in the description box. Also, we have this size guide that we've added. We have this table here, and we have the model information. So we see the model picture and we see the model info. Next, we can select the quantity. We also have the promo timer. So this is when our sale is expected to end. We also see the price. As you can see, we've added the discounted price for this order. So we see the compare with price and we see the actual price. And we also see the pickup availability at this specific address, as we've added the required number of items for this product at this address. The next sections, we also have description. This was the description that we've added in here. So you can find all of this information that we added to our product in the actual product picture, in the actual product page. And if you're interested in how to customize all of this information, feel free to go to our Gain theme customizer default product, and here as you can see, you can add all of this customization. We'll link for you a video on how to set up your default product page in the description box. But now let's return to the product, to the prices, as there is one more thing that we'd like to show you. So as you remember, we've entered the price as a discounted, so we have this $29 here. However, we can also add the price different for the different options. So for example, with your product, you have several sizes, you have several materials, and you want to show that one specific size or one specific material is more expensive or more affordable. For such case, you need to click on the variant here. So we've chosen this variant, and we can change the price here. Let's put in $19 here, save our changes. However, for different options, we have different price. So as you can see, this one is $19, but these are $29. So the changes are saved. Now let's check our product once again, and as you can see, the XS size in cobalt color is $19, but ML size is $29. And now let me show you how it looks on the grand scale of the collection page. So as you remember, we've added this product to the collection accessories. So now let's go to our collections here. We will also share with you the video on how to set up your collections page. Look for it in the description box. And now let's open our accessories collection. Let's click on view, and here is our collection page. So now let's test out the hover image. So as you can see, when I hover here, my image changes, and when I choose another color swatch, here it is, it also changes. And also, as you can see here, we have the price from $19 and the full price is striked out. So this is for cases when the price differs for different options and it's a discounted price overall. We also have the option of full price. This is just when you do not add the compare at price. When you create the product, you simply put in the price of the product. You can also leave it as here, the compared at price and the price for the product. And also we have the option, let me show it to you, when the price is full not discounted but differs between the options. So as you can see, we have from $39 with this product. If we click on it, we see that the milk color hat is $39, but the fuchsia color hat is $49. So you can simply change it in your product section. So when we go here to the product section, click on edit, and here you can edit the price. So here is our product that we've recently added. As you can see, we have the pictures here and also the video that we've added. You can of course toggle the video here. Just click on it and toggle it to show as the last image in your media layout. So now let's go back to our product here, and as you can see, we have these pictures and we have this video. So to play the video, you just need to zoom it and click on it, and now our video is displayed in here. So also, as you can see, when we are in the in the collection page, we have this filters and sort section. So by clicking on it, you can choose to filter and sort by the product type. So as you can see, we have 2 hats and 8 accessories. You can filter by brand, by size, by color. You can also check it in the video about the collection page. We'll link it for you. Or you can just go to the apps, search and discovery, and filters section. So this is where you can find all of this information. So thank you very much for your time. This is all the information we wanted to share with you today. Feel free to contact our support if any questions arise, and let us know how you liked the video. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good day. Bye.